And then I have a very special invitation to you for this video. And then please give me answer in my 3 questions.
Oh, we have to answer questions?
Very first question is, who are you? Please introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Jeff Jared.
Mm-hmm.
I live in Seattle, Washington, on the west coast of the United States. It's north of California, about 2 hours south of Canada. And it rains a lot, and we love our fish, our salmon. This is my wife, Michelle. Introduce yourself, sweetie.
I'm Michelle. I'm his wife. And we both live in
thank you.
Kirkland. Did you say Kirkland?
Kirkland. It's across the lake from Seattle. It's a small suburb.
Nice to meet you, yes. And then my second question is, how you decide this trip to Mongolia? How?
How
That
did we
was
decide?
you.
I guess I decided.
Well, we got back from Egypt. We got back from Egypt, and I was walking, and I looked, and I thought I had a fraud on my credit card. It was him buying tickets to Mongolia.
Wow. So it's
Surprise!
surprises. And I remember your anniversary, yes, 60th.
Oh, it's for my 60th birthday, which was just about
In Mongolia, it's happened, yes.
what is it, about 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
And then our anniversary is in a few weeks,
Yes.
too.
Yeah, but we'll be back home by then.
Wow, thank you.
And this was a pleasure. This is a great experience for us. Thank you, B.
And then by your answer, I want to tell to our Mongolians and to our audience, there are many reasons to visit Mongolia. I want to find that. And then now I know one reason, Egypt and then Mongolia, yes?
I had never been here, and I knew it was a special culture, and not many tourists come here.
Yes,
You know, in America, everyone goes to Paris. Ooh,
Yes,
Paris
yes.
is good,
yes,
you know, or they'll go to Rome
yes,
Mongolia is a little
or
more,
Thailand. But
more,
Mongolia, we say off the beaten path. It's
more exotic.
I've never met anyone who'd been to Mongolia, so I wanted to bring.
Now you can tell your story to your friends and family.
Yeah,
And,
yeah.
colleagues. Because you live in the west north part of America, it's maybe too far from, have to say, capital city, and then maybe less information about Mongolia. Maybe.
Not a lot of information. I mean, people, when we said we were going to Mongolia, they're not familiar at
You're right.
all.
You're
But
right,
if
yes.
we say we're going to Italy, or we go to Greece,
You're
or
right,
we go
yes.
to Egypt,
Yes.
They
people
know.
understand. Mongolia, frankly, I don't know that I even knew where it was.
Some
on the
Americans
map.
don't know where it is.
You're right.
We
yes.
don't hear much about. The only thing we hear about Mongolia is Genghis Khan.
Yes,
That's
that's
the
true.
only thing we hear about.
And then what I really want by this answer, I want to add some very special information to our audience and to your friends. Please read Jack Weatherford 2 or 3 books. He wrote about Genghis Khan and his daughter's stories.
Who did? Who?
Jack
Kerouac.
Jack
Jack
Weatherford.
Oh.
Vetterford?
I will write on this video comment, yes? And second information is, if you really interested about Central Asian peaceful lifestyle, that is written in the Pax Mongolica topic. Pax
Oh, Pax
Mongolia.
Mongolia.
Pax Mongolia.
Okay.
It is more connected with the 12th century or 13th century. Anyway, today our Mongolian wish and all of the world humanity wishes that kind of lifestyle.
Peace.
Healthy, wealthy, happy lifestyle.
Nice.
Yes. That is already happened in Mongolian history.
Peace and prosperity.
Yes. And
P and P.
yes. And very final question. Do you have question to our Mongolians? What do you want to ask?
Well, my question, and I already asked you, and you know, we're very political, and I wanted to ask Mongolians, who do you like better, Russia or China?
Wow.
And you don't have to answer. I know it could be controversial, maybe, or it's political, and you don't like politics, and that's fine.
Yes. It's this question connected very well with your job, what you do.
Yeah, we're legal political.
And then
Yeah.
how about Michelle? Do
My
you have-
question?
Yes, to our Mongolians, yes.
When you think about America, what do you think about?
Wow. And then our audience who are watching this our talk, name it hashtag Mongolia friend. This short talk. Please give answer if you want to give answer. Please write a comment on this video. Yes, I appreciate. I thank you again for your this very good moment making this life with us, this daily life with us, and
Very nice.
and I appreciate for your interest to this cooking class. And then what really wants to say about our this Mongolian cooking class?
Excellent.
How is
Excellent.
Great
It was more than
experience.
cooking. It was about the culture and daily life.
it? Yes, thank you.
Very good.
And, how is the taste, Michelle?
Very good, very good. It was very, very great experience. It's great to experience your day-to-day life.
Real life.
Yes, thank you. Yes, and then appreciate again. And yes, we want to keep my wife and me, and of course, many Mongolians want to keep our culture and traditional lifestyle. And then you are giving us more attention. It is helping us.
Good.
So no more attention. Maybe we will be boring,
Boring?
or we never see our advantage. And then today you are giving us an eye to see who are we are Mongolians and what is Mongolia. And then now very appreciate for your this energy. Yes. Hey, hooray! 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 Wow, thank you. And then yes, thank you. Have a good day.